Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add notes on Instagram Reels. Adding a note to your Instagram Reel helps communicate key messages, engage viewers, and enhance the storytelling with useful context or reminders. So let's start the video. To add note on Reels, open your Instagram app. From your profile, open the reel to which you want to add a note. So this is our reel, tap to open it. Here tap on the paper airplane icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. Tap on Add Note icon with plus sign. Now write your note. You have the option of sharing your note with the followers you follow back or your close friends. Now tap Share to post your note. Your note can be viewed by you and your chosen audience on the reel for up to 3 days. After this time, your note will no longer be visible to others on Instagram. So that's how to add a note on Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching.